Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
The cheerful and versatile daisy flower of Marguerite appears throughout the summer. In the greenhouse, they will flower for most of the year. Marguerites quickly grow when planted in pots. They reach a height of 30 to 45 cm. If you grow them in the greenhouse, they can have a height of 90 cm. It is an easy plant that almost looks after itself. Remove withered flowers to prolong the flowering period. Repot in the spring using a mixture of 4 parts soil-based compost, 2 parts peat and 1 part sand. Water generously in the summer and sparingly in the winter. Feed once a month during the growing season with a standard liquid fertilizer. Don't feed during the winter. Place in full sun so the plant will get at least 3 to 4 hours of sun exposure. Move your plant into the sunny position in the spring. Bring outdoor plants into the house in autumn. It will do well in summer temperatures but need protection from the wind. Keep cool in the winter but don't allow the temperature to fall below 13 centigrade. Marguerite grown in an earthenware pot makes a pleasing sight. Put outdoor plants into large tubs. Place small plants in a sunny window. The large one looks very attractive in the hallway near the door.
Thanks for watching.